If we head over to Etsy and search for alphabet coloring poster, you'll notice something very interesting. The competition is incredibly low, with only 119 results showing up for that search. Honestly, that was shocking to me. Kids absolutely love this type of poster for two simple reasons. First, they get to color it themselves, which makes it a fun and interactive activity. Second, they can hang it on the walls of their bedrooms or around the house afterward, turning their artwork into room decor. That creates a fantastic opportunity. Based on my latest research, this product has strong demand, while the competition remains extremely low, as you can clearly see. This is where a huge opportunity opens up for anyone selling children's products, especially educational products. You can start designing and selling this type of product right away, and many sellers are already making excellent profits from it. And it doesn't stop there. If we search for dinosaur coloring poster, you'll find that the competition is also very low, with only 124 results for that keyword. That means this niche is still relatively untapped. If you scroll down, you'll notice that many of these listings are generating sales as well. Now let's look at another example, space coloring poster. You can see products here making sales too. Then we have farm coloring poster, which has only 168 results. As you can see, kids enjoy coloring these posters and displaying them on their walls afterward. And if we search for ocean coloring poster, there are only 357 results. And once again, many of these products are performing extremely well. The conclusion after extensive research is simple. This type of product has high demand and competition that may be almost non-existent in some niches. That makes it an incredible opportunity if you're looking to generate Etsy sales quickly. Now, there is one important thing that all of these products have in common. They are not digital products. They are physical products. And at this point, you're probably wondering, do I need to design the product, print it myself, and then ship every order to customers? The answer is very simple. No. As always, my goal is to teach you how to make money online without spending a single dollar and without leaving your home, no matter where you live in the world. And this is exactly where Printful comes in. Printful is one of the most well-known print-on-demand companies in the world. In this business model, your job is simply to create the design. That's it. When you receive a sale, Printful handles the printing process for you, produces the poster, ships it directly to the customer, and takes care of the fulfillment process. You don't need inventory. You don't need a warehouse. You don't need to package anything yourself. Everything is managed for you. You create the design, make the sale, and collect your profit. The entire business can be operated from your home with just a few clicks. It's honestly an amazing business model, and it's much bigger than most people realize. To understand this better, all we need to do is visit Printful. You'll find the link in the description and also in the pinned comment. Once you're there, go to the products section. You'll discover almost every type of product you can imagine, from clothing and accessories to home decor and much more. Literally, if you can think of it, there's a good chance it's available on Printful. And by the way, if you visit my channel, you'll find an entire playlist dedicated to Printful. Inside that playlist, I've covered many different products in detail, including t-shirts, home decor items, stickers, mugs, and many other products that I've explained extensively. I highly recommend watching those videos so you can gain a broader understanding of this business model and start profiting from it much faster. Now, I want you to focus very closely because we're about to move into the poster selling business model that we discovered at the beginning of this video. And this is where things start getting really interesting. Now, if we go back to the product section inside Printful and search for posters, you'll find a wide variety of poster options available. You'll also notice that they offer very large poster sizes, which makes them perfect for the type of product we're planning to sell. Remember, our goal is to create a large coloring poster for kids, something they can color themselves and then proudly hang on their wall. For this example, I really like this particular poster, so I'm going to click on it. Once you open it, you'll see all the available sizes, color options, product details, and pricing information. Everything is laid out for you right there. To start designing this poster, All we need to do is click the Start Designing button. This will open the product customization page. Here, you can choose whether you want the poster to be displayed vertically or horizontally. In our case, we want a horizontal layout, so I'm going to select horizontal. Next, you'll see an option to choose the frame style for the poster. Personally, I always prefer the wooden frame option because it gives the final product a more premium and professional appearance, so that's what I'm going to select. After that, you'll choose the dimensions you want to sell. I'm going to use the larger size, 24 by 36 inches, because it works perfectly for the type of coloring poster we're creating. From the Upload section, you'll be able to upload your design so it can be applied directly to the poster. We'll do that in just a moment. By the way, Printful includes several built-in tools that allow you to create designs directly inside their platform. However, I personally prefer using dedicated design tools such as Canva. That's why I'm going to head straight over to Canva and create a new design using dimensions of 36 by 24 inches. Now, let's begin with the first step. We're going to open ChatGPT, and I'll ask it to generate a word for every letter of the alphabet that is suitable for a 3-year-old child. ChatGPT will generate the entire alphabet and pair each letter with a simple word. For example, you'll get something like A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, and so on. This gives us a complete educational alphabet list that is both simple and age-appropriate for young children. Once that's done, I'll return to Canva. The first thing we want to do is place all of the alphabet letters onto our poster. How are we going to do that? It's actually very simple. I'll press the letter T on my keyboard to insert a text box. Then I'll type the letter A. You can use any font you like, but I personally prefer the font called Genty Sans, so that's the one I'm going to choose. Next, I'll go to Effects and select the Hollow effect. This is very important because it creates an outline that children can color inside later, turning the letters into an interactive coloring activity. After that, the process becomes incredibly easy. I'll simply duplicate the letter A and replace it with the remaining letters of the alphabet. Then, I'll arrange all the letters across the page in a random layout, just like this. As you can see, creating the foundation of this poster is extremely simple, and within just a few minutes, you'll already have the basic structure of your coloring poster ready to go. Now it's time for the second step. We're going to add a word next to each letter. To do that, I'll press the letter T on my keyboard once again to insert another text box. Then I'll go back to ChatGPT and copy the word associated with the letter A, which is apple. After that, I'll place the word next to, below, or above the letter A, whichever layout looks best on the poster. Then I'll continue this exact process for the rest of the alphabet, adding the appropriate word next to each letter. It's a very simple process, it's easy to organize, and it comes together surprisingly fast. Now that we've finished adding all the letters and their corresponding words, there's only one final step left before this amazing poster is complete, and that's adding the illustrations. For example, I want to add an apple image next to the letter A. To do that, I'll go to the Elements section inside Canva and search for Apple Outline. You'll find plenty of outline-style apple illustrations that children can color. Simply choose the one you like and place it next to the letter A. Then I'll repeat the process by searching for Ball Outline and selecting an outline image for the word ball. From there, I'll continue searching for the remaining words and add a matching outline illustration next to every letter of the alphabet. Take a look at the result now. The poster has become incredibly engaging for kids. Through this single poster, children can learn the alphabet, recognize and memorize simple words, and practice coloring at the same time. They're not just looking at letters anymore, they're interacting with them. They can use their coloring pencils to bring every illustration to life, making the learning experience much more fun and memorable. And once they're finished coloring, the poster becomes something special that they can proudly display on the wall of their bedroom or somewhere in the house. That's what makes this product so powerful. And as I've mentioned before, it doesn't stop with alphabet posters. There are many other poster niches with very low competition as well. For example, let's go back to the dinosaur coloring poster idea. All I have to do is create a new page and follow the exact same process. I'll add several dinosaur outline illustrations and arrange them in a fun layout that appeals to children. Kids, especially boys, absolutely love dinosaurs, and they enjoy coloring them even more. This means the poster becomes much more than just a piece of paper hanging on a wall. The real value comes from the fact that the child personally colored it. Because they invested their own creativity into it, they'll feel proud of it, they'll connect with it emotionally, and they'll want to display it. That's what makes these products so appealing to both children and parents. Using this same method, you can create many different coloring posters across multiple niches and start listing them on Etsy. The more designs you create, the more opportunities you have to reach different audiences, attract more customers, and generate more sales from your store. The next step is to download the design files. And just like that, we've officially completed the design phase. Now we're going to head back over to Printful and move on to the next stage. Once we're inside Printful, we'll go to the Upload section and upload the poster design we just created. After the file finishes uploading, all I have to do is click on it and you'll immediately see the design applied directly to the poster. It's really that simple. One important thing you need to pay attention to is the dotted guideline around the poster. Make sure that all of the important elements in your design stay within that dotted area. This is extremely important because anything outside of those boundaries could potentially be trimmed during the printing process, and you don't want any of your artwork, letters, or illustrations getting cut off when the final product is produced. Once everything looks good, all I need to do is click on Save Template. At that point, the product is essentially ready to be sold in my online store. You'll be able to see all of the product details for the poster right here, and I highly recommend reviewing everything carefully before moving forward. If you click on the three dots located on the right-hand side, you'll notice that you can edit the product at any time. And there's another really useful feature here. If you click on Download Mockups, Printful will automatically transform your design into professional product mockups. These mockups are absolutely fantastic because they're already prepared and ready to use. You can upload them directly to your online store, use them in your Etsy listings, or even share them across your social media platforms to help increase visibility and drive more sales. As you can see, there are plenty of beautiful mockup options available, making your products look much more professional without any additional work on your part. Now, when we click the Publish button to send this product to our online store, Printful will ask us to connect our store account. If we click Connect, you'll see a variety of supported platforms, whether you're selling on Amazon, Etsy, Shopify, or other marketplaces. In our case, we're going to select Etsy. Then all you need to do is click Connect Etsy account and log in. Once you've completed the login process, the connection will be established automatically, and you'll be able to publish your poster directly to your Etsy store. One piece of advice I'd like to leave you with, my friend: don't stop at selling just one product. As I mentioned earlier, we have an entire playlist on this channel dedicated to designing and selling products using Printful and the print-on-demand business model. Inside that playlist, you'll find tutorials covering many different types of products and opportunities that you can start selling right away. And I'm going to continue teaching you even more products and business ideas in future videos. For now, start with these coloring posters, take action, apply what you've learned today, and keep following along with the channel. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, because it really helps support the channel. I appreciate you spending your time with me today, and I truly hope you learned something useful. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.